this week where we can just bond and listen to the sermon and just really ponder on what God is trying to tell us. I just really appreciate this week.
I would say one of the more fun aspects of SUW is definitely just like free time, playing spike ball with my friends. There was a talent show and like two of our friends pretended to be magicians, which was really funny. But overall SUW was just really good. And thank you, Pastor Matt, for coming and preaching.
Spiritual emphasis week was really good for me. I liked how we were able to go to the sermons and just be fed spiritually. It really helped me in my growth with God. Thank you to Pastor Matt for coming down, taking the time to be with us and spread the word with us.
Thank you to Pastor Matt and the rest of the pastors who came out this week and helping us draw closer and nearer to God. Thank you, pastors.
I'd like to thank the pastors and Pastor Matt, especially for SEW, because it gave me this week to be able to devote all my time to God.
Hey, Hanalani students, this is Pastor Matt. It has been a joy to be with you this week and to share the Word of God with you. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your friendliness. And let me just encourage you, and we talked on the very first day, to have wisdom according to God, the skill to live life in a way that pleases God. And then we talked the next day on guarding your heart with all diligence, because everything else is impacted by that. And then we talked about rejoicing in the Lord and being content and not worrying. And as you continue with your school year, allow the Word of God to guide you, to comfort you, and don't be afraid to turn to God with your struggles. He's with you. He loves you. Thank you so much for a great week. God bless you.